Hi guys, this is Andrea again, and it's been a while since I made the video, but I have received this deck of Oracle, and I'm so excited to unbox them. It's called the Quantum Oracle cards. It comes with 53 cards and a guidebook. So let's look at this. So that's the cards. So this is the back side of it. They are semi-glossy. Not too bendy, which is perfect. Beautiful, so excited. Let's look at the guidebook. Nice, decent size. Almost 200 pages, which is nice. So explanations of each cards. Upright and reverse. A few spreads. Different kind of spreads. Okay. Oh, and about the cards. So it has different suits. So it comes with consciousness suits, which is physical and energetic worlds. Energy suits, which is vibrations of your emotions. It has intention, people, events, spirit, and the cycle. Okay, let's look at the cards one by one. We'll start with consciousness. The artwork is beautiful. Wow, the peoples are so realistic. It has the faces. You can easily find people on the streets. I love it. And the colors are so bright. Oh, I see. Each suit has the 8 cards. So we move into energy. I'm going to try to make it short because I hate long videos, especially when you just want to look at the cards. So energy. Last card for energy. Intention. Oh, I'm going to be definitely using this deck together with my tarot. This is going to be a nice addition. Even for collectors, this is a beautiful deck. So now we are a family. So this is all people. So suit of people, teacher, loving man, loving woman. And the last one, another suit is events. Oh, I love that. Milestone, achievements, deception, talking behind your back, and the spirits. So Spirit Realm. Oh, I love that they are the Spirit Realms. This is awesome. Wow, it's different, but I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think, if you love it as much as I do. And cycles. Okay, 5 cards of cycle. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you guys think, if you like it as much as I do, and give me a thumb up. Thank you.